Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert GIFs into your Microsoft Word document. Very easy stuff. So let's say you're inside Microsoft Word and you want to insert a GIF. How do you do it? First, press the Windows plus period or Windows plus dot on your keyboard. You can call it Windows plus period or Windows plus dot. Once you do that, it will open up the emoji sticker option here. And once you're here, you will see the section that says GIF. So as you can see below, it shows you some GIF that you can see, but you can also click the GIF section on the top here, and it will take you into all of those different GIFs that you can basically choose. All right, you can search for a GIF. So let's say I want to type in DWL, like dying with laugh. I'm sure it's gonna find somebody laughing like crazy, and you can just simply click on that GIF, and once you click on it, the GIF will be inserted. So for whatever reason you want to insert a GIF inside your Word document, you can go ahead and you can insert that. So again, all you have to do, press Windows plus period or Windows plus the full stop. It will open up, choose the GIF section, and you will have all of that. And you can just simply go ahead and choose the GIF. How cool is that? So click on it, insert the GIF, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.